This is the Boeing i201. This is a 3-level, ultra-luxury residence on wheels, engineered with aerospace precision and finished to private jet standards. The Boeing i201 is offered at $3.67 million. Step into the living area, and the craftsmanship speaks immediately. Hand-finished rich wood paneling, balanced perfectly against signature soft white leather sofas, designed for long, effortless comfort. The space feels open, calm, and refined. Engineered to move, yet styled like a high-end penthouse lounge. The dining space is pure elegance. Fresh flowers rest beneath a statement chandelier, a piece chosen not for brightness, but for presence. A beautifully framed window opens to sweeping green views, turning every meal into an experience. The master bedroom is generously spacious, calm, and deeply indulgent. A marble-finished wardrobe wall offers both beauty and function, while the bed, furnished by Holly Hunt, one of America's most prestigious luxury brands, delivers exceptional comfort. The bar lounge is crafted for connoisseurs. Rare spirits, aged whiskeys, and refined liquors are displayed with restraint, because true luxury never needs excess. The seating is plush, airy, and intentionally generous, creating a space that invites long evenings and effortless conversation. The kitchen blends beauty with serious capability. Equipped with sub-zero refrigeration and Wolf precision appliances, every element reflects professional-grade performance wrapped in elegance. There is ample space to cook, serve, and even sit for intimate meals. The bathroom feels like a private 5-star suite. Expansive panoramic mirrors multiply space and light, creating a sense of openness rarely found on the road. World-class fittings, premium surfaces, and flawless detailing transform daily routines into rituals. And finally, the upper deck, a view few will ever experience, elevated, open, and commanding. From this height, the world feels distant, quiet, and beautifully small. No other motorhome offers this scale, this height, this presence. Only the Boeing i201 delivers a view from the top of the world.